I bet you already know that finding good leads is critical to the success of your business. I'll give you 3 simple techniques to help your marketing and start getting more leads. Hi, I'm Matthew Bizzaro with Be Great in Real Estate, and at the end of this video, I'll even give you my most powerful marketing tool you can start using today. If you're like most real estate agents, you're extremely busy. So you don't want to spend a lot of time writing emails, posting on social media. Instead, you could be showing homes, houses, apartments, going to listing appointments, or just following up on leads. The first tip is super simple. Automate your tasks. If you don't have time to follow up with potential clients and you don't want to hire an assistant, there are countless automated systems to help you manage your day-to-day. Everything from posting on social media, there's software like Buffer that allows you to schedule everything to post. You can automatically send emails using email systems like MailChimp, Follow Up Boss. When you receive an inquiry, there's also software that can automatically send texts and leave ringless voicemails. These simple changes can completely change your business and conversion rate. The second tip is to use buttons and calls to action, or CTA, in emails and social posts. Let's face it, today's average person has a very short attention span and spends most of their time on their phone. So a straightforward tip you could make is to remind them to click links in the email or the posts. Then use the buttons and calls to action to get email rates up and social posts clicked. Again, the simple power of suggestion can be a powerful thing. And the last tip is to create short content on what you want to know today. Video content is the king of all marketing. And if you aren't making good video content, you need to start now. Find a topic in your market that you like talking about. Have an in-depth knowledge of a series you want to create, whatever it is, and become a master of it. This important thing is to create something that you enjoy and know well. Educational posts are some of the most watched content. It'll add to your brand and add to your credibility. So get your camera out and start creating now. There you have it. These 3 super simple techniques that might take some time to implement, but will beat sitting at your computer and stressing yourself out all day. If you think we missed something, please let us know in your comments below. If you're having trouble gaining traction on social media, be sure to check out my video on increasing your engagements on Facebook. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on social to stay updated on your new videos.